Hello, this is your guide for Wednesday, April 29th in Work Package 5. After we go through today, we'll do some more practice with verbs and we'll try that ice cream game again because we had a couple mistakes yesterday. We'll see if we can do better. But let's start with our printing practice. Please write neatly and don't forget your finger spaces. Read the word, trace the letters, and write the word. And also practice saying your sight words. So just hold on a minute, laugh. The story made me laugh. Live or live. Uh, I live in a house, or the game was on live TV. Much. That's too much potato. Okay, so we'll start up here. Just. J, go under the line. Dot goes above. U, S, T, try to touch the line. Now finger space, J dot, touch the lines, S, T, and I think I won't have space, so I'm going to jump down to this next line, J, U, S, T. Okay, and fill in the rest. Try to make it look as good as you can. And do laugh, live, and much. And practice your alphabet. If you're still not confident reading it out loud. Okay, let's move on. And today's digraph is EY, which sounds like E, honey, key. Okay, practice the E sound like in key and honey. E, okay? Same thing here. E, Y. Y goes under the line, finger space. E, Y, finger space. E, Y. And fill up the rest of the line. Over here, connect the keys to their correct locks below. So each of these keys has a different pattern, and we got to figure out which one connects to which. I'll just do one for you. This one looks easy, it's straight. And this one, it's the only one that's straight. It's the only one it could fit into. So this one goes here, and then you do the rest of those, please. Fill in the E words below. So they start the word for you, you just have to finish it with EY. And practice saying the word too. Jock, jockey. A jockey, like someone who races horses. Parcel, parsley. Parsley, like the herb you can cook with. Chimney. Your smoke comes out of your chimney if you have a fireplace. Honey. Bees make honey. Okay. Jockey, parsley, chimney, honey. Let's go to our daily language review. And zoom in a little bit more. Okay. Daily language review. Correct the sentences. Number 1. Number 2 have some mistakes we have to fix. So let's read number 1. Mom asked me what I would like to eat for breakfast. Okay. So would, that's like wood from a tree, not like saying I would like something. And breakfast, we're missing a letter, and we're going to talk about why there shouldn't be a question mark. It might sound like a question, but if you read it closely, it's not actually. It's a declarative sentence. Everything else looks okay. Mom asked me what I would. So when you're saying like I would like this, it's WOULD. Mom asked me what I would like to eat for breakfast. And then breakfast, break, fast. That's how I always remember how to spell it. Break fast. And then period, because he's telling you that his mom asked him before. It's not his mom talking right now. It's just this kid. He's saying, Mom asked me what I would like to eat for breakfast. So it's not a question. Not the way it's written. Number 2, I asked for peanut butter and banana pancakes. Sounds good. Okay. P needs to be lowercase. Peanut is not somebody's name. Banana, there's too many N's right there. I asked for peanut butter and banana pancakes. Everything else looks fine. I asked for, make sure P goes under the line, peanut butter and banana, BANAN, banana. Banana. There we go. Confused myself. I asked for peanut butter and banana pancakes. I've never had a peanut butter and banana pancake. You wanna know what I really like though? Peanut butter and banana sandwiches. So good. Okay, complete the sentence with the word that is spelled correctly. I am blank that we have enough peanut butter. I am hoping. So when you add ing to hope, so you spell hope like this, HOPE, and then when you add ing, hoping, to the end, you get rid of the E. So it's going to be this one. I am hoping that we have enough peanut butter. Write the letters ES to make the bold word plural. Plural means more than one. I have 3 pencils. Not just one pencil, 3 pencils. Plural, more than one. I also want peanut butter sandwich for lunch and dinner. So it's more than one sandwich, so it's got to be sandwiches. So I also want peanut butter sandwiches for lunch and dinner. I think we all know someone in our class who would love sandwiches for lunch and dinner. I'm going to say who, but you know who I'm talking about. Can I have a sandwich? Okay, reading comprehension time. Bub the Cub. What's this about? Okay, I think we're getting pretty good at these. Please read the story and answer the questions. In this story, you're going to see the ub family, the ub digraph, cub, tub, rub. Okay, the ub sound. So before I read a story like this, when I know there's questions, I like to look at all the other stuff first. So the title, Bub the Cub. And looks like this is Bub in a tub. He's got his ducky. And question number 1, what is the cub's name? See, we already know that without reading the story. It's Bub. Number 2, what does Bub like to do? Number 3, what happened at the end? Okay, let's read it. I know a cub. His name is Bub. Bub likes the tub. Bub plays with his duck in the tub. Rub, rub, rub. Now Bub the cub is clean in the tub. Get out of the tub, Bub. Okay. Number 1, what is the cub's name? Bub. B-U-B and period. Number 2, what does Bub like to do? Bub likes the tub. What does Bub like to do? We'll just say he likes the tub. Or he likes to go in the tub. But let's just write it just like it is in the story. Bub likes the tub. Last question, number 3. What happened at the end? Now Bub the cub is clean in the tub. Get out of the tub, Bub. We could say, well, he didn't actually get out of the tub, right? I think the last big thing that happened is he is clean. Okay? Bub is clean. Bub is clean. All right. Let's move on to math. It always misses that piece right there. Okay. Daily math review. Daily math review. Question 1, 38 plus 21. If you can't do that in your head, and it's too hard sideways, use this big empty space. 38 plus 21. Start in the ones place. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 38 plus 21 equals 59. Number 2, 27 take away 12. Start in the ones place. 7 take away 2. 7 take away 1, 2. 5. 2 take away 1 is 1. So 27 take away 12 equals 15. 12 plus blank equals 27. So remember, adding is backwards of addition. So if we have the same numbers, we don't need to check again. 12 plus 15 is going to equal 27. And we'll just check quick. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. Number 3, write the time on the clock. 3:15. So quarter means 1 out of 4. So if I had a circle and I cut it into 4, I'd only have 1 out of 4. So a quarter of an hour, and we know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So a quarter of that would be 15. 3:15. So it's past 3 o'clock. So we know the hour is 3. And when people say quarter past, they mean 15. So it's 3:15. Number 4, circle the odd numbers. Odd numbers end with 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. If it ends with that number, so whatever's in the ones place. So 3, 9, 23, because it ends with a 3. Just those ones. Question number 5. The explorers needed to hike 19 miles in one day. They hiked 8 miles in the morning and 6 miles after lunch. How far did they still need to hike? Blank miles. Show your work. So they hiked a long way, but they're not done yet. So to get where they're going, they need to hike for 19 miles. So far, they've gone 8 and 6. So let's add these two, and then we'll subtract it from this one. 8 plus 6 equals 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14. And now 19 take away 14. Always put the big number on top. 9 take away 4. 9 take away 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 5. 1 take away 1 is 0. And just leave it empty. So they have 5 miles left to hike. Okay, let's move down and zoom in. Okay, we got a couple tricky questions here. So I'm glad you're watching this. Hopefully I can help you. Okay, number 1, 80 take away 4. Let's use this empty space. 80 take away 4. Now, this is where you're going to have to borrow. 0 take away 4. If I have 0 pencils, can I give you 4? Nope. So I'm going to borrow from the tens. 8 turns into 7. 0 turns into 10. 10 take away 4. 10 take away 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals 6. And drop the 7. 76. 90 take away 4. So we can figure this out just by looking at the first question we did. Because it looks the same, but it's just 10 more, right? They're both subtracting 4. It's just the first number is 10 more. So if we add 10 to this number, that's our answer, 86. See how we saved ourselves some time? Question number 2, 5 times 1. And then over here, 5 divided by 1. Okay. So you can think of it like this. I have 5 groups of 1, or I'm skip counting by 5 ones. Let's do 5 groups of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 1 equals 5. Another rule to remember, any number times 1 is going to equal the same number you started with. 5 times 1 equals 5. 50 times 1 equals 50. Okay? Then over here, we've got 5 divided by 1. So what this question is asking you is how many times does 1 go into 5? How many times does this 1, how many times can it fit inside of the 5? We'll practice more division later, but for now, let's just use the picture we drew. So 1 can go into 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, don't worry too much if that's confusing. Just wanting to get the idea in your brain. It's like I took a little division and multiplication seed, I'm planting it in your brain, and we'll water it, and soon it will sprout. Okay? Don't worry if you don't get it yet. Number 3, how long is the stick? Okay. Remember we did measurement before? So we know this is 0. Starting at 0, we went 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. It's not quite 5. It's actually right in the middle. Do you remember in the middle? It would be 4.5 because there's 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Right in the middle is 5. 4.5 centimeters. Number 4, write the correct symbol in the circle. So less than, equals, and greater than. I like to think of it like you're pointing to the bigger number. So, for example, 10 is bigger than 1, but 3 is smaller than 4. Okay, we practiced these a few days ago, so I hope you remember it. Just remember, you're pointing at the bigger number. So 699, 966. 966 is going to point at 699 because it's bigger. It's saying, haha, I'm bigger than you. 1001, 999. 1001 is pointing at the smaller number. You get it? And then equals means the same. So 8 equals 8. Okay. Number 5, a baby elephant is about 3 feet tall when it is born. How much will the elephant have to grow to be 12 feet tall as an adult? Blank feet. Okay. So baby elephant, 3 feet tall. And when it grows up, it's going to be 12 feet tall. So if we subtract 12, take away 3, that's how much more he has to go. 12 take away 3. And let's use our number line. 12 take away 1, 2, 3. 9. He still has to grow 9 more feet. Okay, one page of math left to go. And then we'll practice our verbs and that ice cream game. And we're going to be adding 3-digit numbers, just like yesterday, but this time it's all in one question. They don't break it down, no place value. And you're going to have to carry for some of these. And you see I did the first one for you. So remember to start in the ones place. Don't forget to carry if you need to. And we're adding 3-digit numbers. So just to explain what I did on the first one, 4 plus 9 equals 13, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 3 plus 2 equals 5, 583. Okay, it's just like adding, but now we have bigger numbers. No big deal. So start in the ones place. 7 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. 3 goes down here, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 813. Do one more with the number line, and then I'll do a few really quick, and you finish the rest. 2 plus 7, starting in the ones place here. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 1, 2, 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. 759. So we didn't have to carry there. You only carry when the number is 10 or bigger. Okay, I'm going to do the rest. Well, I'll finish this row and the next one. I'm just going to do it in my head because I don't need the number line anymore. 7 plus 3 equals 10. No. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 910. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 924. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 755. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 4 equals 10. This time I put the 10 down there because there's nowhere for me to carry. If I carry to the next spot, there's nothing there. So it has to go here. All right, you do the rest. And let's practice some more verb stuff. Because I'll be honest, I was a little confused. So when you think about verbs, it's an action or a state of being, but that can mean words like is, has, have. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple examples, and then we'll play that ice cream game. And I'm going to make a video just for nouns and verbs later, but this is kind of a sneak peek, okay? Okay, verbs. So there's lots of different kinds of verbs. We have state of being. So I am at home. He is on his bike. We are happy. Where have you been? Then we have linking verbs. I can taste the salt. I can smell the flowers. Stay where you are. Because it's still somebody, a person, an animal is doing something. They're smelling, they're staying, they are. I think these are the tricky ones. Is, am, are. You got to remember those can be verbs. And we have the helping verbs here. Have, has, had, do. Did you see that? We should go there. We might do it. Could you help me? So these ones can be tricky. And I think I have another page on here before we do the game. And then there's this stuff. It gets tricky, but you have to know it. Okay, so we have present tense, like it's happening right now. I am using the smartboard. He is a wingnut. It is Wednesday. We are doing our homework. So that's happening right now. And then past tense, it happened before. Past tense means happens before. I was at my friend's house. You were at the store. We were in school. You were doing your homework. And then this one, present perfect, that means you started it before, but you're still doing it right now. I have been doing my homework, and I still am. We have been cleaning the house, and we're not quite done. They have been trying their best, and they're still trying. Okay, is there another page? We're not going to go through all of these. It's just a little preview. Highlighter. Okay, so awake, awoke, awoken, hide, hid, hidden, sleep. I have to go to sleep. Slept. I slept on the couch. Slept. I slept on the floor. Uh, let's see. Pay. Can you pay the cashier? Paid. I already paid the cashier. Paid. Well, then the cashier got paid. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's just try the game, and then I'm going to work hard to make a video for nouns and verbs to make it easier to understand. Okay, so we'll go back to abc.com up here. You click on grade 3. Same one as yesterday. Word games, the green monster. Ice cream talk. And we were really good on the nouns, so we're going to do verbs again. Let's see.
Ice cream talk. Nouns and verbs.
You know what? I'm going to leave that on this time. Go.
Select a game and press next.
So today, just verbs, action words, state of being. Running, jogging, smell, am, was, could. It's those ones. Am and could, those can be the tricky ones. So click verbs.
Verbs. Verbs. Help the monkey collect 10 scoops of ice cream before the monster. Collect ice cream by finding the nouns and verbs in the sentences.
Okay.
Collect 10 scoops with no mistakes and play the bonus game.
Ooh, so no mistakes. That's the only way you get the bonus. Let's try.
Find the verbs.
Okay, so an action doing something or a state of being. So sending a card is a nice gesture. So sending is doing something, right? And card is a noun, that's a thing. Sending a card is a nice gesture. Gesture means like you were thinking of someone, you're making them feel good. I'm pretty sure that's a verb. No! It can't be card. Is it nice? This is the one that we were tricked on before. The movie lasts for 2 hours. The movie lasts for 2 hours. I believe the lasts. How long the movie is. The bell rings every morning. The bell rings. It's doing something. The kids listen in class. You know what? This guy already got a scoop, so we don't get the bonus game. We're going to try one more time. They tricked me right off the start. I want you to try this game, and I want you to get to that bonus round.
Ice cream talk.
Because I'm
Nouns
struggling
and verbs.
with the verbs.
Verbs.
Yeah.
Find the verbs.
Okay. Let's slow down. The frames hold pictures. Hold. The bus brings the children to school. Brings, that's doing something, right? Bring them to school. A kitten grows to be a cat. So the doing, the action is grow. A kitten grows to be a cat. To be a cat. Yes, that's the one that was tricking us and me. Cars drive past our house. So drive, that's doing something. Sending a card is a nice gesture. Okay. So it's definitely not gesture. We learned that. Sending is doing something. Sending a card is a nice gesture.
Find the verbs.
Yeah, we know. Tony coaches the team every summer. Tony coaches the team. Coaching is doing something. The candles burn in the kitchen. Burn, that's what they're doing. Learning math requires concentration. So when you're concentrating, that's doing something. What? Oh no, there goes our bonus game. Learning is doing something.
You got 10 scoops, but the monster got some too.
I thought concentration would have been a verb.
Ice cream talk. Nouns and verbs. Verb. Help them.
Yeah.
Find the verb.
Astronauts walk on the moon. Walk. Mia behaves nicely at the table. Behaves. Class is fun. Is. The boat arrived. Laura owns many shoes. Owns.
Find the verbs.
The artists are very talented. The artists are very talented. Trick-or-treating occurs on Halloween night. Occurs. Scientists use microscopes. Use. The candidates rarely agree. The candidates rarely agree. Cool, that's the one. The teacher helps students. Helps.
You did it!
Yes!
You got
Yes!
10
Yes!
scoops without
Yes!
making a mistake.
That's what I'm talking
Press
about.
the arrow
Yeah!
to play the
Okay.
bonus game.
Finally! Ah! Hype.
Catch as
I
much
am
ice
hyped.
cream as you can in 30 seconds.
Yeah. I got 21 scoops last time. We're going for 1 million this time. Bubblegum. Mint chocolate chip, bubblegum chocolate. Butterscotch, bubblegum, chocolate, double chocolate chip, butterscotch, vanilla, bubblegum, double chocolate, fudge, chocolate, mint ice cream, chocolate chip, cherry.
You caught 31
Oh yeah.
scoops.
Oh yeah. Nice. New record. 31 in 30 seconds. Top that. Okay. I think we had a breakthrough today. I'm learning verbs. You're learning verbs. And you're doing your homework, which means you're awesome. Keep it up. And stay tuned. I'm going to be working on this video. Nouns, verbs. And there'll be a video just for those ones, okay? And then check out this game on ABC. Yeah. Nouns and verbs. All right. Take it easy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.